How good is the kit lens that comes with the Sony ZV-E10? Well, you're looking at it right now and I think it looks pretty darn good. We currently have the camera plugged into the Elgato Camlink 4K capture card and we're recording with OBS Studio. A lot of people go out and they buy the 16mm Sigma f1.4 lens, but there's one problem with that. Once you buy that, you are stuck at 16mm. Right now we're around 20mm. And if I zoom out to 16, that is a very wide view. So if you do go out and you buy the Sigma, you're stuck with that wide view. You have no versatility there. The Sigma is a much nicer lens. It's definitely a little bit sharper. It gives you a better blurry background, but you're stuck at 16mm. With this lens, I can zoom into 20mm, 25mm, 30mm. Okay, 50 might be a little bit too much. I think I'm getting a great image quality. It's nice and sharp. There's a little bit of a blurry background that everybody likes, and it just looks nice. I think your average person would be really happy with this lens. The only problem is it's a variable aperture lens. So when you zoom all the way out, it's a f3.5. When you zoom all the way in, you're at f5.6, meaning it's going to be letting in more or less light. So what I do is I zoom out to 16mm, I set the lens to f4.0, and then when I zoom in around 20 or 24mm, which is the most I'm ever going to zoom into, I still stay at f4.0, and then I don't have to readjust my camera settings for the lighting change. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Does this lens look good enough? I spent a lot of time this morning getting my lighting just perfect, getting the exposure just right, just to make this video. Good lighting, this lens, this camera will give you awesome webcam ability. I'm not sure what that is, but that's what you're getting. It's kind of funny, but there's a lot of people who absolutely hate this lens. They talk bad about it. They say it's horrible, and I don't really understand why. I've seen a lot of really nice photos and videos being taken or shot with this lens, and if you use it correctly, it works. I would love to go out and spend $1,200 on one of those Sigma art lenses or something, but you know what? This lens definitely does the job. I'm very happy with it. I don't really feel a need to change to a different lens, and you probably don't either. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, click that little bell, set those notifications to all. Thanks for watching. Lightning out. See ya.